Hello traders, I am going to show you ALGOUSDT chart analysis. I am in daily time frame. Now move to weekly time frame. So you can see a algo chart is a bottom level. Algo is a bottom. Algo now move to daily time frame and reset the chart. For daily analysis, I use previous 6-month chart. Actually, we can see a double bottom. We can use rectangle tool and we can mark the support area. You can see this support area is very interesting because there is up move is very high and there is another support this area. This line is very accuracy is high because this market can be this level. Market previously went to this level and most buying pressure come to market and market is going up, and this level is a key area. Now we can see a break the parallel channel. Actually you can use parallel channel to break out and retest parallel channel. Actually we can see break out the trend line and market going up, break out and retest. We can see resistance this area. We can select the rectangle tool and this high, and this is a key area. Market is going down and come to this 0.21 and market can be up movement. If there is a create a pattern, we can enter the trade. Now it is not a trading opportunity. If there is a if there will be a trading opportunity, I will tell you. You can see a market is over bought area and market come to high volume. Now volume is decrease. Actually we can mark the support area. This is a minor support. Market can be break the minor support and reach this level. Is obviously. Actually this is a market analyze algo chart, and subscribe my YouTube channel and comment below, press the like button. Thank you.